This is the real Ian. Okay? Him cleaning the house, doing the dishes, doing the bed is not real. Sir?
Yes, sir.
Here's your order, sir.
Can you please... Is it hot? Oh my gosh. Thank you.
This is the real Ian. Okay? Him cleaning the house, doing the dishes, doing the bed is not real. This is him. He just plays all day, every day. All day, every day.
Come on, love.
Alright, sorry. Let me turn off the TV. I'm watching HGTV. Cool. Alright. Today I'm going to open up this box that I got from Amazon. I ordered it 2 days ago and it came in the next day. And I think this would really help our kitchen situation. I mean, there's nothing really bad about the kitchen. It's just that because our condo is so small and every time we cook, like, I can smell the food throughout the entire house. And I don't want to wake up the next day. Like, I usually just sanitize and then spray an odor eliminator the night before I sleep. But sometimes I wake up in the morning and I can still smell the food from our dinner. So I brought something that would help me solve that problem. So this is it. Come on. There we go. Bam! Ah, this is it! I got this! So it's a aromatherapy InstaNatural. I ordered it in Amazon and then I got the essential oil that I'm planning to use tonight. Oh, come on. I don't know how to open. Yes! Ooh! It's good because it has a dropper thingy. Yeah! So, I got this both. Let's do this. And look, it comes with a little dropper thingy. Open this up. Ooh! Nice! So it looks like this. Perfecto! Wow! I drop it. Brand new and then I already drop it. Instruction says I have to remove the cover, which I already did. I have to fill this up with water, add 3 to 5 drops of this essential oil, and then put the cover back, plug it in, and press the mist. First, press misting on. Where is that at? First, press. Ah, okay. Ha, I'm not reading right. So, let's do this. Then it doesn't lock. This is weird. Whoa! It's an aromatherapy and it looks like this. InstaNatural, and I got it in Amazon. So my plan is I'm going to stick this one in my kitchen. It looks like it right now in my kitchen, and I'm planning to just let it sit there and wait till I don't know how long that will last, but I'm going to read this manual and go from there. Alright, I would like to correct myself. This is actually called an aromatherapy essential oil diffuser, and the brand is InstaNatural. It's right there in the background. Boom! I can already smell it. I can already smell the lemon. Love it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. I'm going to share today. I'm going to share that. Delete it.